we're going to talk about breathing and bracing with the deadlift. So there are 3 ways really that we can breathe and brace while we're deadlifting. Number 1 is a Valsalva maneuver. So that is an inhale with a breath hold through the whole movement. Number 2 is an exhale on the way up and on the way down, and then inhaling between reps. And then number 3 is going to be an exhale up, inhale down. And we'll go through each of those rather quickly. So the Valsalva maneuver is sort of the stereotypical breathing and bracing technique that we see with a lot of heavy lifting. And so that would be the breath hold, that inhale with a brace and breath hold through the whole movement. So that would look like an inhale, brace, exhale after the movement. Again, stereotypical, typical breathing technique used for a lot of heavy lifting, especially like 1 rep maxes and things like that. The number 2 is it exhaling through the entire movement. And so what exhaling through the whole movement does is help us engage our core and our pelvic floor sort of subconsciously, right? So we're not thinking about contracting those things, but with a forced exhale, that helps engage our core and pelvic floor. So this is especially a helpful technique if you are pregnant or postpartum, or if you have any other pelvic floor symptoms. This can be a really great way to help regulate your intra-abdominal pressure and avoid things like leaking and pelvic pain during deadlift. So what that would look like is an inhale and then exhale through the entire movement. So again, it'll be so we're exhaling through the entire movement to help with pelvic floor engagement and core engagement. We can also do another type of technique, the 3rd one, which is an exhale up, inhale down on the movement. So that would look like an inhale here. So we're exhaling up, inhaling down. Again, that exhale is happening while we're doing most of the work, which is going to, again, help with that core and pelvic floor engagement. Those are the 3 ways that we can work on breathing and bracing through the deadlift. So just work through those 3 things, see what feels the best for you. And if you have any symptoms or anything going on, definitely try the exhaling and inhaling timing techniques, and let me know how it goes.